हेलो गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू माय चैनल द इनविजिबल ट्रेडर। और आज हम नहीं बोलेंगे कि वीडियोस अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए, बट एनीवे क्योंकि हमारा जो व्यू कल था इसका तो एंटायरली ऑपोजिट हुआ है आज। इट इज एन extremely disaster movement that we have seen it today. Bank Nifty getting down almost 1600 points, Nifty almost 400 points. So tomorrow, basically, if we see for today, this move was not expected. I'll tell you how we have done a trading. But agar if you look at from a guidance point of view, see, yesterday also I told you that we are doing analysis based on price action, dates, and all those. But if there is a news, do not blame me that you told the market will go up and market fell down, right? So the news that I was talking about, though I was not very sure, is actually the corona news, because of which this fall happened. And this was a news based fall. So you can see in just 45 minutes to 1 hour, the market was down almost 1500 points, right? Bank Nifty getting down 1500 points in just 1 hour is a disastrous situation, which is very difficult to predict. Nobody can predict this kind of movement. But from a guidance point of view, what I've told you, I have on a daily time frame, I have given you this trend line, if you remember, right? And this is where our stop loss was if we are in a buying mode, right? Positionally buying mode हमारा जो हेड एंड शोल्डर था उसके नेक लाइन के ऊपर हमारा बाइंग मोड था आइडियली, राइट? तो यहाँ पे तो हुआ नहीं, मार्केट गैप डाउन हुआ, वी वर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग गैप डाउन, एंड आई वेरी क्लियरली टोल्ड कि मार्केट में यही स्टॉप लॉस है, एंड इन फर्स्ट 3 मिनट्स इटसेल्फ मार्केट वाज बिलो दिस ट्रेंड लाइन. सो आज बाइंग का तो कोई सिनेरियो था ही नहीं. नोबडी कुड हैव डन ए ब्लाइंड बाइंग इन दिस सिनेरियो. हमारी जो ट्रेडिंग थी, मैंने इसमें से कोई भी मूव कैप्चर किया ही नहीं. ऑफ कोर्स I was trying to waiting for a consolidation here for a buying move because it was previous weekly low. It is a powerful level, but market did not give chance. अच्छा हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, otherwise I could have gone into a loss. It was again on 700 point fall here. Where we have bought here is basically on the double bottom here on the previous monthly low, and this is where I have made the money. And if we look at the money that have been made today, I'll just show you my positions. So if you see, all the money has been made in CCC. Okay, total money made was 1,37,500 rupees. 32,500 C was taken with the straddle of you can see this straddle, right? C and P, 32,500. So I made a straddle, and then after the straddle I got a profit of around 4,000 rupees. I did a naked buying again during this time, I think. Okay, during this time, and that is where additional 6,000-7,000 rupees was made. It was small quantity, of course, and this is the total money. See, if you look at my positions, I have made all the money in C mostly, if you minus this PE1 at the latest stage of the day, and all these movements were from here. Nifty was not that much sure कि यहाँ से buying करना है, but Bank Nifty was a very confident buying from here, which we did. We could not give you in live market, but anyway, the point I'm trying to say is that I was also not able to capture this 1500 points downside move at all, because anyway I don't trade before 9:30 mostly, 9:30, 9:45. So usse pehle hi market was already down. Anyway, this is for today's market. The view was extremely wrong. I hope people might not have liked the view, but as I said, news based we do not have any control. Okay, now what we had a date of 5th April, right? 5th April is this, and what I told in the group is okay, from 5th April till 8th April, my personal view is that this previous monthly low might not get cut. Okay, that is what my strong view is. And somebody was asked, Astro view, has it gone negative? Probably not negated, because if you look at, consider this as a local bottom as 5th April. We're not expecting this much of fall. Probably we are expecting around here and up move on the upper side. But if you consider this as a local bottom, my belief is that this bottom will not be cut till 8th April. So I'm expecting a range bound market, not very big up move. Very big up move again agar ho gaya is tarah se, then it will be again another magic, okay, which we do not have control as a analyst, right? Otherwise, my personal view, if you look at the resistances are more, especially in Bank Nifty. First of all, you have the valleys, resistances of head and shoulders. So this value and this value, which where our black level is, which is ideally 33,363. I mean, we're talking about 700 points. So if market goes 700 points, we will see a fall definitely. Sorry for the background news. There are some kids around. So if market goes here, this would be the area where market will again fall. Okay. And I'm talking from a 3-day point of view. You have this trend line resistance, you have this trend line resistance. Okay. So there are different, and the level according to this trend line resistance would be around this 33,700, which is like 1,000 point from here. Okay. For till Thursday, I think this would be the maximum, even if we look for a positive side. But my personal view would be we should stay sell on rise, because though Nifty has recovered quite a bit, especially Bank Nifty is still looking really, really weak. So every rise should be sold, most probably, right? So tomorrow we will see that what are the pointers based on which we need to trade. So if market opens up flat tomorrow, my personal view is market would basically do a volatile move and probably stay within this range only. That means today's low and 33,200. So this is the range, which is around 800 point का range है. इसके बीच में market most probably रह जाएगा. That is what I'm thinking of. If market gaps down heavily tomorrow, then we might see a panic selling. Whereas it is very, very strange that all the global markets, even today, all Asian markets which are open, they were positive. But our market is actually a unique market. So it fell down too much. But tomorrow, see, tomorrow if market gaps down, trading for me would be really, really difficult. First of all, I would not be able to stay in a situation where I can take a big sell, neither I can take a big buy. Okay, so probably I would prefer not to trade if it gaps down tomorrow, because it might also just do a range bound in gap down. So flat to negative may, it might just do a range bound one. And if market gaps up for the timing, if market gaps up, then our upper side cap would be 33,400 maximum. I'm not expecting market to go anywhere beyond this for tomorrow, right? And if we look Nifty, Nifty may, if you see, the position that I'm looking at is ultimate. I don't think Nifty will cross this neckline till Thursday, because Nifty would also go into a sell on rise mode. Little bit range bound to mild bullish probably, but it will give you sell on rise, good sell on rise. That's what my thought process would be, unless there is only one caveat. If tomorrow market negates the entire downside that we have received here in Nifty, that means कल ही मार्केट अगर इसके ऊपर चला जाता है, ये मैंने ग्रुप में भी बोला है, मतलब नेकलाइन के ऊपर चला जाता है by giving an ultra big move, then only we can change our views. Otherwise, similarly Bank Nifty में भी मैंने जो टारगेट दिया है, that is actually very far, which is around this level 34,100 के आसपास. 34,100 के ऊपर जाएगा तभी जाके हम कुछ बुलिश का व्यू बना सकते हैं, वो जाएगा नहीं. So stay sell on rise, that would be my, and data is negative guys. Option chain data I have looked at, it is extremely negative, especially Nifty. So I wondered how come Nifty actually made such kind of move with such a negative derivative data. Okay, so since the data is negative, I would try to stay sell on rise. Because of this price structure, I think whenever market is going to touch R1 or this level, if it touches tomorrow by chance, then also you can take a sell tomorrow, possibly. Okay, so that is what going to be the trade plan. I'm not going to talk about any stocks. There is no point of talking about stocks, and I'm not giving you any positional buy or sell scenarios. Also, we need to change the view based on today's market behavior. You see, as a trader, if you're not changing your views, you may not stay in the market. So you had a different view yesterday, and today market, मतलब जैसे बोलते कि हर जज्बात market ने बदल दिए हैं. तो market, since the emotions has been changed, we need to change our trading style. Okay, so I would trade on a sell on rise mode for a couple of days, and I'm still on a view that after 8 April we might see a sell. So don't become a big bull. वैसे big bull तो मैं पहले भी नहीं था. Even if with a positive view, I have given you targets of double top, ideally maximum this one, provided that it would have been traded here, right? Otherwise, my view was still that on 8 April we might see a fall. till then we can stay sell on rise. And as I told in the group, every 500 point move in bank nifty, you can probably ideally sell calls. That would be a preferred scenario to do trade, unless tomorrow a heavy bull run comes. Okay, otherwise sell on rise में रहने की कोशिश करेंगे. And I somehow think nifty should not go above 15,000 anyway. First 14,900 and then 15,000 anyway. And bank nifty to this level 33,700 max to max, this neckline 33,900, that is 34,000. उसके ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए थर्सडे तक. इसके बीच में ही हम सेल ऑन राइज का ट्रेड करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच, गुड नाइट. और ये वीडियोस कल के व्यू के हिसाब से अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता तो डिसलाइक भी कर दीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. बट एज आई सेड, द व्यूज मे नॉट बी करेक्ट एवरी डे, स्पेशली ऑन द न्यूज वन. So we'll see how market behaves tomorrow based on this. But I would be expecting a range bound market probably tomorrow and day after. Thank you very much. Good night. Jai Mata.